Hey guys, yeah, I thought I'd just do a quick video here. I'm going to talk about the Tannus insert, the experiment I did on the back wheel of my bike. We can go over that here in just a little bit. But yeah, I want to show you my EZ-3 HD. This is my Sunseeker EZ-3 USX HD. Bought this bike a few years ago. It's been garaged the entire time. Perfect condition. It has less than 50 miles on it, and you're like, whoa, why does it have less than 50 miles, right? Well, when I bought the bike, I bought it with a rack, a prefabbed rack, or a specially fabbed aluminum rack, where I was fitting a gasoline Subaru engine on it. And of course, well, come to find out to my dismay, well, you can't power a bike with a gasoline motor without a lot of other bullshit complicated in there. So the bike got garaged after that. And of course, I moved forward, got my electric bikes. But since then, I have noticed that they have kits for this particular bike to upgrade this bike to electric. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. But yeah, you can see here, I got the reflective red tape on it. Thing's been very well taken care of. Probably just needs a good wiping down. Pretty sure there's no rust on the bike. I mean, yeah, there's absolutely no areas to even worry about rust. Have the really good tires. You have the extremely reinforced wheels with the spokes. Yeah, here, let's check something out. Yeah, it's been sitting for a while. I got to put more air on the tires. These tires take about 90 PSI. But yeah, it was a really smooth running bike. Really smooth running bike. So honestly, I would probably just go ahead and sell the bike. Anyone wants to get an upgrade kit for electric for it and stuff, you know, you might ask, well, why wouldn't you do it yourself? Well, I have 2 electric bikes right now. I don't need to spend money on a third when I already have you know, those expenses going out on the other 2 bikes. But yeah, just something to think about, guys. So pretty cool. Let's go ahead and talk about this Tannus armor insert thing again. All right, guys. Yeah, anyways, after showing you my Sunseeker bike that I have, wanted to kind of go over a couple of things here. Really interesting. Quite some time ago, I did a test on the flat out. This is the stock tube that was sent with the Tannus armor inserts I got. This tube is you can see it right there for yourself. Yeah. Stock tube, still holding air. And I did 3 punctures in the tube. You can see where they're at right here. This is with the flat out. This tube has 8 ounces of flat out in it. And you know, when I rotate the tire, well, when I first put the tire up, you know, I could feel the liquid in the base. Then once you rotate the tire, it's not like pooled in one spot. Good thing about the flat out is it lasts for, I believe it's rated up to 10 years. So yeah, I would definitely use this tube back inside of a bike again. I mean, there's absolutely no reason. I mean, you put this tube inside the tire itself, you're going to have that extra protection, and this stuff's going to seal even better. But anyways, what we're going to do is talk about the Tannus insert. I still have the Tannus insert in my front tire on my Lectric. And let's go ahead and pull this stuff out. These things are a little pain to get out. It's a brand new tire, by the way. And by the way, you know, I store all of my new tires, tubes, everything. I keep them totally in a closet, no light, nothing whatsoever. Now, over a long period of time, you can see this insert has regained its structural integrity. it's thick again. But if any of you remember my video, when I pulled this out of my back tire, this thing was flat as a pancake. And I did 1 to 2 follow-up videos after that, several days apart, and it was still flat as a pancake. I mean, the idea behind it is a really sound idea. But when this thing goes flat as a pancake, what protection are you really getting? I mean, anything comes through the tire, and I guarantee you a regular tack could come right through when this thing is flat. It's gonna hit your tube. No two ways around it. Now, when you actually have the full thickness that you do here, and by the way, you know, yeah, of course I'm never gonna get a refund. I cut the sides away here so I could show you guys the thickness here. I mean, you have a good, I believe it's about a 5/8 thickness on the base. And then of course, ordinarily you would have your sidewall pieces coming up off both sides that wrap around the inside of your tire and encase your tube, which is excellent for sidewall protection against pinch flats and things like that. But yeah, believe me, I was all for Tannus armor. And if they could like come up with something to stop this thing from going flat inside your tire, you know, I know they say, hey, they will go flat, let the bike sit in a warm room for a while. Well, I tell you what, that does not work. Or who's going to take apart their tire and put the insert in a warm shower, you know, so the humidity and the warm air, water, whatever you want to call it, makes it re-expand. It does not happen that fast. It will not. And to take your whole tire apart, that's just ridiculous. But that's where I'm at on the Tannus insert. I might try to use this for something still. I don't know. You guys have any suggestions on that? Let me know. And yeah, you know, and by the way, I am putting my Sunseeker up for sale. I have two, you know, I have the Rad Mini 4 and the Lectric 2.0. Other than that, I would convert the Trike over to electric, but I give a pretty good price on it. So other than that, hope you guys keep them safe out there, and I will see you on the next video. Just buyer beware of the Tannus insert. They're not cut out to be what you think they are. So yeah, other than that, guys, keep safe. See you on the next video.